how you can change your intensity of your flashlight on your iPhone. Now, before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's start. First, to increase the intensity of your flashlight, you can just increase it and decrease it. It's up to you. What you need to do is just swipe down from the top right. Now there you will see an flashlight icon. Just long press on it. After you long press on it, this section will pop up right here. Now this is your normal one. If you just tap on the middle section, your intensity will increase, and if you tap on the top section, your intensity will increase again. Now this is the highest it can go, the fourth one. Now this is the max your flashlight intensity goes. Now if you just decrease it again, it will come down. And this is the flashlight's off right now. This is the on one. Higher, 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 lower, 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 lower. And that's pretty much it. That is how you increase and decrease the intensity of your flashlight, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.